Hello everyone, it's day 588 to get to the Polytechnic. Today it's Friday. This morning I had 2 hours of French, so it was a little funny. My teacher brought postcards. I mean, not postcard, but envelope. And we needed to copy our addresses, nos adresses, pour qu'il nous envoie nos copies de dissert. En fait, bon, il a fait un peu tout un sketch parce que quasiment toute la classe ne savait pas où positionner l'adresse. Donc, bon, bref, c'était un peu fun, je vous partage ça. Bon, je le raconte mal, mais bon, c'était drôle. Then I took 3 hours to first explore my errors in my last synthesis in English, and I did my English homework. Then I did some engineering science, so I took some exercises of my last year teacher. So in his website he has, there are a lot of exercises for PSC 12 and PSC, so I took them and I just did them in a row. I did the same in the afternoon when I went to Jean Monnet, so I was there from 4 in the afternoon until right now. It's almost 10:15. Yeah, in the afternoon I had English, so we worked on the XENS exam. I mean, we worked on the methodology we didn't work. We analyzed the methodology for XENS exam in English. So yep, it was good. And given that tomorrow I will do in the morning an engineering science test, I mean, that's basic, but in the afternoon I will do XENS English test. It's good to practice on Friday for Saturday. I mean, my brain will be able to, I don't know, do better things than it used to do. So, il reste une semaine avant le début de la révision. Je suis plutôt content de ce que j'ai fait. Je me demande toujours de faire plus, mais au final, je suis assez satisfait de ce que je fais. J'ai revu quasiment tous les chapitres sauf intégration, intégrale généralisée, série entière, et quelques autres chapitres, mais qui sont négligeables devant ceux-là. Enfin, négligeables, c'est des rentaux quoi. Mais ouais, je suis plutôt content de ce que j'ai fait. J'ai revu beaucoup de TD, beaucoup de cours, ce qui va me permettre d'enchaîner les TS et les DM pendant les vacances, enfin pendant les périodes de révision. Voilà. Donc c'était Tom, day 588 to get to Polytechnic. Take care. Ciao. And I have to, I have a hair plan. I want to come back to my last coupe de cheveux. Bon, je dois aussi me raser, mais je sais pas. Bref, j'ai un temps à raconter ma vie. It was day 588 to get to Polytechnic. Take care. Ciao.